Hello and welcome to the Farming 4.0 channel. In this episode, we will discuss the fascinating process of harvesting and processing sugarcane. We'll explore how sugarcane is harvested, transported, and transformed into sugar through a complex chain of operations. If you are passionate about agriculture and want to learn more about modern technologies used in this field, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Thank you for watching. The soil is a living ecosystem, full of microorganisms that play a vital role in decomposing organic matter and releasing essential nutrients. Sugarcane, once matured, is harvested using specialized machinery, and the process is absolutely fascinating. Imagine sugarcane, after months of careful nurturing, reaching the culmination of harvesting. When the sugarcane is ready to be harvested, farmers employ modern harvesting combines. These machines are truly impressive. They cut the cane at the base of the stalk and simultaneously separate the leaves and other non-usable parts. It's a spectacle to see how the cane is chopped and prepared for transport in a single pass of the combine. But it's not just about the machines. It requires a lot of planning. Farmers need to clear the fields of weeds and ensure everything is prepared to allow easy access for the machines. It's like preparing the stage for an important performance. Once harvested, the cane is loaded onto large trucks and swiftly transported to processing factories. Everything needs to move quickly to prevent sugar losses through fermentation. This is where modern technology comes into play. With the help of GPS and drones, farmers can monitor the progress of harvesting in real time, ensuring everything goes according to plan. And let's not forget about equipment maintenance. Harvesting machines are regularly inspected and maintained to prevent breakdowns and maintain a continuous flow. All this coordinated effort ensures efficient and high-quality harvesting, preparing the cane for its transformation into sugar and other products. The Super 50 harvesting machine is an advanced technology used in the sugarcane harvesting industry. It precisely cuts the sugarcane from the base of the stalk and efficiently separates the leaves and other non-usable parts. The machine has a large loading capacity and is equipped with advanced control and monitoring systems, such as GPS and sensors, to optimize operational efficiency. Its robust construction ensures reliability in challenging working conditions, contributing to increased efficiency and reduced environmental impact in the sugarcane harvesting process. Sugarcane is a perennial plant in the grass family, known for its ability to produce large quantities of sweet juice. Originally from Southeast Asia, sugarcane is primarily cultivated for sugar extraction. It is a tall plant with a sturdy stem and long leaves, thriving in tropical and subtropical regions. Harvesting occurs approximately 18 months after planting, when the sugar concentration in the juice is at its peak. The sugar obtained from sugarcane is used not only in food, but also in the biofuel industry and other industrial applications. Cultivating this plant involves advanced techniques and efficient resource management, making significant contributions to global agricultural economies and the food industry. The sugar refining process is a complex and technological procedure used to convert the sweet juice extracted from sugarcane into refined sugar and other products. The process involves clarifying and filtering the juice, evaporating it to concentrate the sugars, crystallizing to form sugar crystals, drying and refining the crystals, and finally packaging them for distribution. In addition to refined sugar, this process generates valuable byproducts such as molasses and bagasse, making significant contributions to the global economy and the diverse industrial and food applications of sugarcane. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with new videos and to always learn something new. See you next time. Bye.